Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Gladys. In this video I want to show us my buttonhole hack. That is the secret on how I open my buttonhole without destroying it. You know, most of the times you see a buttonhole, you make a buttonhole. If you are not careful when opening it, you end up destroying the buttonhole. But since I learned this secret that I'm about to show you now, it became an ancient story because that no longer happened to me. This is the buttonhole. I just created it now. So let's open this buttonhole together so that you see the secret and how I do it. This is very important and any tailor can do it because every tailor has his pin on his or her sewing shop. So you get two pins like this. Pierce it, come before the bar, pierce it like this, and come out here, the other side. Can you see it? Can you see what I'm doing? Get another pin, pierce it before the bar, and come out also at the other side. Can you see? Can you see? So get your seam ripper, whatever you use to open it, you want to use to open it. Start from the center, pierce it through, let it pass through. Can you see it has passed through the other side? You now push it gently. Follow the center of the buttonhole. Can you see? It has gotten to where this pin is and the pin automatically stopped it. It didn't allow it to pass, to go on and move to this place, to the bar. So I will turn it again and start this side. Push it gently. Follow the center of it till you get to the other pin. Can you see? My buttonhole has been opened gently without destroying it. All I need now is to remove the pins. Because this dress flay, I will now get my lighter and burn the pieces of the dress that is flaying. Can you see it? That is it. That's how I open my buttonhole without destroying it. You can learn this hack, follow it, and you will not have issue of destroying your buttonhole because you are trying to open it from today. Thank you very much. Do like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. I remain Gladys.